Hey guys, welcome back. It is Monday. It's gonna be a reset day. It's basically gonna be like a vlog throughout the week. I do need to do a bit of unboxing because I do have some packages that I've been meaning to unbox. I don't know if I'm gonna have time because I do want to get some coffee for my first appointment at 1. Currently 11:51. I just want to like tidy up in here, which is not too bad. We'll get coffee.
I'm an only child. You know you throw with it like nephew. Fuck it, I'm bad at the label. Fuck it, I'm bad at the man. Just want me off. Then I trust.
I left the studio ready to go. Can go get my coffee and come back. I cannot do this without coffee. I can't. I thought I was gonna be able to today. I'm gonna give in. I am gonna give. See you when I get there. Thank you. Thank you. I need to do a taste test. That's so freaking good. We're back in the studio. There's on boxes that have been sitting in the corner of my room almost 2 weeks. Not the only one. Okay, doing the nail room. I redid the sign, or it was like a little greenery. I'll like insert a video of it, and I switched it to that, which I thought was really, really cute. Freed up my wall because I want to put up some more pictures. This last one is this freaking the light. So it's like supposed to go over my desk. One that I have now, it breaks, it falls on me all the time. I'm over it. I'm done. I want something that clamps onto my desk. $12.51, right on time.
I don't mean to interrupt all this, but just something that was than this. Hey.
Okay, just got done with our second client of the day. Get here at 4. So we have a few minutes to go ahead and clean up.
I saw on my Instagram that
Okay guys, we are back. I finished my last client of the day. I went ahead and I'm cleaning up the studio so it's ready for tomorrow. I did get some mail. I'm a little bit of a shopaholic. It's fine. It's a tax write-off, so whatever. I ordered from Nailmart. Put it on the screen wherever I went. I will say, gel stuff, I don't love that it did not come in a box. It came in a bag. I hope if it's leaking, I will be upset. Got to restock the Mega Stick. I've been trying Crazy Top. It's the standard one. I use this as a top coat or my encapsulations, or like if I want to do nail art, I want it to be like lumped. This is perfect.